I was went on an 80 day, and there's like knock-off one.
Good morning. Today is day 26 on the AT. We had a short day yesterday into the Mountain Inn where we camped outside and we had a great day. We had lovely food. We had lunch and dinner there, lots of beers, hung out with other hikers, and then this morning we had the best breakfast on trail, which we would all agree, not just the best breakfast on trail, the best breakfast of life. It was absolutely amazing breakfast. They were all super nice. So yeah, really enjoyed it. And today we're back on trail. It is very wet. It looks like for the foreseeable future it's going to be raining as far as we can see in the weather forecast. So we're bracing ourselves and we're just going to keep going as far as we can go today. Tangerine. Yeah, I'm all 400.
Woo, 4 down. 18 to go. That's awesome. You just count on Evan. Hey. Why are you documenting me?
Basically hasn't stopped raining since this morning. Well, we got a wee tiny break in the rain for probably about 15 minutes where we stopped for a little break, got some food, and then it's just been pelting down basically all day. Feet are wet. We're pretty wet. Although I'm doing pretty well under my umbrella. Just overall a bit of a stinky day. But the trail's been really amazing.
This is the most rain we've seen so far on trail, but it's also one of the flattest days we've seen on trail. So, we'll take what we can get.
Can't have it all.
As long as we can set up our tents without this pouring rain, then I think we'll be a-okay.
Hardcore, tough kids. Oh, it's just been raining all day. Just testing times on the AT. Over 20 miles of torrential rain and slipping and sliding in the mud, as you just saw. It is character building for sure, but getting closer to camp, thank goodness. Woo. Stop. Jordan, do you want to talk about last night?
Oh man, yeah. We got to a shelter. It was raining a little, just a little drizzle. But we got to the shelter and it was full, of course. And we decided, since it was still kind of nice, that we were gonna push just another 2 miles to the next campground that had water. So it sounds like a great campground. And we're going and we're cruising, and about 10 minutes before we get to the campground, tent site, it starts pouring. Torrential pouring thunder for an hour. And we were just standing there waiting for it to stop. Finally, it holds up a little bit, still sprinkling. The tree is still just dripping on us, but we frantically set up. Zippy almost had her
the tent nearly
tent
blew
fly
away.
away direction northwest. But yeah, it was
rough.
It was one of our worst setups yet.
It was probably one of the worst nights I've had camping.
Yeah.
And just to show you a wee bit of the aftermath here, you can see this is where my tent was, and I ended up in a big massive, there was a bit of a dip here filled with water. Basically the tent's floating. I had to get out with my trowel, Exhibit A, and I had to dig channels to get the water away, which basically did nothing.
Yeah,
And that's how it went.
Yeah, it was tough.
And two other survivors.
Great.
Yay, happy faces, happy faces. Because the sun's out now.
Day and get a little bit. Hey. Okay. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 27 on the AT. And yeah, we are heading on the trail. We are a little wet.
Very wet.
Yeah, but we got about 12 miles to get to Boots Off Hostel, and we'll reassess at that point. It looks like today might be on and off rain, but right now the sun is shining. We're enjoying it, and yeah, we might do some laundry and resupply snacks and stuff at Boots Off, but as of right now, not planning to stay there the night, but if the weather gets really bad, we will reassess. But yeah, it's kind of keeping our pace going, and yeah, we'll just kind of see what today has for us. But yeah, let's do this.
Oh, that's nice. Woohoo! Almost submerged. Wow.
What a time to be alive.
catch my breath. This is day 28. Today we are heading one step closer to Damascus. We're going for a big day today, and tomorrow we'll be walking into Damascus. And as you can see, we've woken up to rain, more rain. We've seen a lot of rain for the past few days, so pretty much every piece of gear is a different variant of wet. We've got damp, we've got very damp, and we've got wet. And we smell like a big damp, mouldy old sock right now. It's kind of disgusting.
I can confirm that.
Yeah, it's been really wet. It's been really kind of a tough section because of it. But yeah, we were able to stop in a Boots Off yesterday just for lunch and to get a cold drink and to dry off a little bit. The sun came out temporarily and then it started chucking it down again. So it's been on and off, but we're getting closer to Damascus and we're going to take some time off there to recalibrate, enjoy trail days, and then continue onwards to Maine. Hey!
Woo! Let's do this.
Ah, don't come for me! Nope. Oh, wee cow! Look at the wee cow! Oh!